So we are going to cook the wing now. So what we are going to do is very simple and quick and easy way that we are going to do that. So we are going to cook the 4 pieces and 2 pieces we will fry in them. So once you add that, then we will add the onion and chilies and curry leaves, and also we add the cinnamon leaves, and also we are adding the ginger and garlic, and we are adding the tamarind juice, and so we are also adding the tomato juice. This is a very quick and easy way of cooking the wing. So you don't need to cook as a traditional way. This is a very simple way of cooking it. So what we do is, we put everything, all ingredient together. Then we add the water. Then once you boil it, then we are also once you add the water, we are also going to add the powdery spices together. We are going to add the chili powder, then also the curry powder, masala powder we call it. Then also we'll add a little bit of turmeric. We have already added the turmeric powder, so we will mix them, and we have also added the salt when we marinated it. So this is a very easy way of cooking the barramundi wing. So, and at this stage, what we are going to do is, we are going to add the coconut milk. So then once you add the coconut milk, we will mix them. So instead of creating the gravy base and adding the pieces, now we add everything together after adding the fish, and we add the gravy base, and now boil it. When you boil it, there will be very fantastic barramundi fish wing curry. The fish wing are being cooked very nicely. The gravy becoming thick and also the colorful. The fishes, the wing are being cooked. Also, you can see that the bones are becoming releasing from the flesh of the fish wing. That's an indication of that they are being nicely cooked. So the now fish wing are being cooked very nicely and looking very great, and so this is a way that supposed to be the fish wing, cooked fish wing supposed to be looking. You can see that a lot of flesh and the bones is being released from the nearly released. Then lot of the muscles on that one. So that very nice aromatic fish wing curry. This is a barramundi fish wing curry that we are cooking today, and you can see very fleshy fish wing, and the way it cooked, the bones has released its flesh, and also we have cook it with cinnamon leaves. Cinnamon leaf is considered to be equivalent to the bay leaves in Australia or in India, and the one of the aromatic leaf. The curry is looking very colorful and aromatic and beautiful. And thank you very much for watching this fish wing, barramundi fish wing curry for that we cook it for our lunch today. I appreciate your subscription to our YouTube channel. There are thousands of videos in our YouTube channel. We encourage you to watch them. Thank you.